Told you.
Dan Sullivan's correct.
Durns Tower.
You say you told me?
Yeah.
Told me what?
I dialed it for you.
Oh, you didn't do shit. I did it all.
Nope.
I fucking did it all.
31 hertz.
What the fuck did you dial?
31 hertz. 31 hertz, man.
What did you do? I changed everything. I did it, you said. I told you.
I fixed it for you.
I told you.
I dialed it for you, bro. I dialed it in.
Why don't you go fucking bump your shit that's so dialed?
I dialed that shit for you.
Go bump your shit since it's so dialed.
That one over there.
Dial it. Bump your dialed. You're crushing my fucking smokes. God damn
It ain't clipping now, is it?
No, that's because I changed everything.
Native pride.
Remember the fucking
Native pride, dude.
subsonic filter?
What?
Did you read the fucking shit I showed you?
No, I didn't need to. I already knew it was.
I know, it's got big words. I know, it's hard.
Enclosure's tuned to what? How many? What is it now?
Dude, I changed everything.
Tuned enclosure for.
I rewired the voice coils. I changed the fucking subsonic, the low pass, and the bass EQ. All that shit got turned drastically different.
So.
Like all of them.
You're. You changed the infrasonic from.
I changed all of them.
Subsonic filter, whatever. From 31. You
Bass
took it off of 31.
Bass EQ all the way down to 0. Low pass filter is at
31.
what did I have it at? I got it. No, I got it at fucking 70.
Turn it down to 30 and crank that shit again.
I got it at 70. Subsonic is set at 20.
30.
Gain's 3/4 of the way up.
Oh wait. You're right, okay. Oh yeah. Okay, never mind. The frequency's at 30 still. Unless you fucked with the one on the far end.
No, that's turned all the way down.
Right.
The bass EQ is 0.
Yeah, I had it up a touch from the fucking 30.
No. You can see like this right here, if that level is on 0, this frequency doesn't even do fuck all because it's turned, see the whole little section is turned off. When you turn that to 0, that's all.
Why'd you turn that off?
Because I don't need it.
Isn't that your filter?
No, that's the bass EQ. That's like a bass boost.
So what's the frequency about? Response?
The frequency is like the low pass filter. So
No,
it's letting everything lower than 80 hertz pass. All frequencies below 80 hertz pass to the sub. Anything above, it blocks.
You could put it like 120 or...
No, I don't want that high.
What?
And then the subsonic keeps the sub from
I'm pretty sure I heard
the excursion limit. It keeps it from fucking extending too far and clapping out, distorting. Yeah.
Clapping.
In the primary on August 18th, vote progressive Richard Grayson for U.S.
Check it out.
Oh, Peppers. Oh, so innocent. So innocent. Big brown eyes. Let me smile. Or I guess panting, but basically smile. Big brown eyes. Big brown eyes. Oh,
There's a piece of candy on the ground. I'm gonna eat it. Oh!
Dude, you said you had smoke. Does that mean you fucking jacked mine?
What?
When you
You smoke Camel Wides?
Does that mean you jacked mine?
You smoke Camel Wides, bro?
Yeah.
Or do you just smoke dick?
Come on. Let me get a
Wine?
smoke. Give
Or
me a smoke.
dick?
Smoke, let's go.
Okay, Ricky. Where's my fucking smokes? Is more like it. Give me mine.
Dude, I'm trying to find mine.
You got mine, you little homo. Mine ain't in my pocket. Where's my shit? Oh, fuck. Where you put them? Don't nigger me, dude. I'm gonna kill you.
I need a smoke. Let's go. Come on, let's go.
Liver shot. Or I mean, kidney shot.
Look at these I got. I traded.
Where's my smokes? What did you just do with them,
I
nigger?
traded Wyatt.
No.